We're talking about trusting God, and one of the things I want to mention is the Divine Mercy. Those of you who have never done the Divine Mercy, I put a little information in there on it, and I beg you to say the Divine Mercy. It's so powerful. I say it under my breath. It means so much. If there's a little article on it, even in the entrance to the Holy Family Church, there's little packets, the brochure that you can take. You can Google it on the internet. Jesus, I trust in you. That's what we have to constantly say, whether it's our weight, our lives, our sufferings, whatever. On a lighter note, we're trying to look at different things. Fish oil, I've been taking it 2 a day, every day, since I started Pray It Off. I feel it has helped me enormously. There's just 2 fish oil. You get them, you swallow them, you get the non-fishy tasting, the burpless ones. They're awesome. If you're not taking 2 fish oil a day, you should. Read those articles and see what you can have as far as the fish oil goes. The next thing I'm going to say is thank you again for all of those who allow us to share our lives with you. Because isn't this a journey we're on? A journey of wholeness, a journey of love. And I always say this, but I know that God wants all of us together. And we need to trust Him. So if we can prayerfully listen to the words to trust you.